Hi, hello, welcoming all. In this class, we're gonna learn about the how to place the beams and how to add the annotation for the beams and other some structural openings and the lift walls. How to make? Let us explore here. So I'm just opening the previous drawing which I saved. I'm just opening here, and it is opening. And again, I just need to go to the structural ground floor. I'm just I'm opening here. I want to add the beams. So in order to add the beams, again I'm going to the structural part. I'm clicking on the beams. By default, it's been taken as the steel structure. So if we want, you can just I show you. You can just add the beams connecting here. And I'm sorry, it's been not connected. I'm just connecting. Okay, I'm just yeah. Now it's been connected. Now I'm go to the 3D view. Yeah, see here. So I do one thing. I'll go to this and property, the start level offset. That means there are two options which is available. That means if you want to, you can just show the slope beam. So basically, I'm just giving as the 600 as the offset. See, now the beam has gone up. This means there are two ends. There is the end level also. If I give to the 600, then it will go to the top. Look at here. So this is how it works. Okay, now I want to add the concrete column. So let me, in order to add the concrete column, let me delete this. Okay, but I want to add the structural column. I'm closing the floor plan of this. Okay, now I'm going here. I'm going to the structural, placing in the beams. I'm selecting an edit types. I'm loading the which one, concrete beams. So I'm selecting the structural. This is for beams. Basically in the rim they will call it as a framing. Okay, so I'm just selecting the concrete. The rectangular is available. This the joist with the ledges and has the pan joist. Okay, this I'm just selecting the concrete rectangular beam. Okay, I'm just renaming this ground floor beam 1 300 into 600 mm. Okay, now this is being done right now. I'm just selecting okay. So now okay, now I'm adding the beams here and dropping this way and leaving here. So now the beams has been now added. Now I go to the 3D. See, now this being actually taken into the level of the footing. So let me do one thing. I'll click on the escape. Now go here. I'll give the, what is the foundation width? Sorry, depth is the 450 mm. So I'll give the offset as a 450 mm. So start point is the 450, end point is the 450 mm. So I'll apply. So it has been taken up. Okay, but the beam dimension is the 600. That is the reason again 150 mm which has been merged with the footing. Let me do one thing. I'll add this 600, both 600, again the 600. So now I think it will go up. Yeah, now everything is in now perfectly fine. Okay, now I'll go to the ground floor. So again I'm just selecting the beams. Okay, I'm just copying this and you can place it here, and again you can just take here. Okay, just selecting. I'll copy, I'll select as a multiple. I can just do this. Okay, 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 I'm selecting and closing here. So now the beam has been added right now. So now again I want to add the vertical beam as well. CES, I select from here to the dead end here and leave it here. Okay, I'm just selecting this and just I'm giving the base offset of 600, the starting, and here as well as I'll give the 600 as the offset. Now I do one thing. I simply copy this, take Control C. Okay, I place this way, I place this way, this way. Okay, okay, the same way I do here as well, I do here as well. Okay, so basically now both the direction the beams has been now placed. I want to add here as well, so let me, in order to add the beams, I simply select on the CS and I'll select the arc. I start from here and I'll end it here. I need to align the same with the column. The beams has been added in the slope here as well. I need to give the slope offset, start level offset as 600 mm and this end level as the 600 mm, 600, and I'm clicking OK. Fine. Now the dimension, somewhere it's been taken as a wrong. Let me delete this. Yeah, so now I think I need to connect these beams, that's all. I'll go here, I'll add the beams once again, CS, connect these beams with here. Okay, again I'll take on this 600 mm as the offset, again 600 mm. Okay, fine. No, I think, yeah, I'll keep as the CS thing, and I add the beams from here to here, again from here to here. Okay, I'll do in a multiple, I'll select everything. I'll select the height as the 600 mm. I'll create this way. I create from here to here. Okay, fine. Now select this, control this, and here I take the offset height as the 600 mm and this also 600 mm. Okay, now it's been done. Now I think if you go to the 3D you will find, right, there's one more is pending from here. I'll go to the ground floor once again here, CS. Okay, I'll add the beams and connecting the things, and I'm closing it here, and I'll match the property MA. This I will match. Sorry, it's not working. Let me do one thing. I'll do this, and I'll keep the 600 mm at the top, offset. I'll keep the 600 mm and close. That's all. So now the beam layout has been taken care very well. So in between somewhere this beam I want to add, or maybe I want to customize. Let me duplicate this. I'll rename this ground floor beam 2. I'll add 600 instead of, I'll add the 800 because it's a heavy beam, so I'll add the 800 mm. Okay, fine. Now let me add the annotation part, or maybe I'll do thing. Before that, let me add the annotation. So I'll go here, I'll go to the annotation part, and I'll go to the load by tag category. Okay, now the tag has been already added here. Let me delete. Where is that? Add by category. Because the tag is already loaded, it is taking as the beams, beam number. Where is the beam which we have modified? And I think this one, GF2. Yeah, is available here. So look at this GF2, because I'm just see this GF2 beam. Or else if you want to edit this, you can go to the double click on the particular family and you can just do one thing. I can delete this. I can do this way, load into the proper projects and override the existing version. See, the box has been deleted. See, the same way CS, if you want you can just add this, then if you want you can just add this. It's already been noted, so you can add this way, you can add this way, you can add this way, so here as well, right? So basically this is how the column positioning and footing placing as well as the beam layout works. Let me do one thing. I'll copy the particular beams and SA similar plus this as well. I'll go to the copy and go to here, select it to the paste to the different level where I selected. As of now I'm in the ground floor. Let me select the first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, and till terrace. I'm just doing this. All the beams has been copied till the terrace floor. Let me hope it's doing the same thing. Let me, okay, fine, it's mine. Now let me open the same 3D. You will find here, see, all the beams has been taken care till the terrace level. This is how it's simple. The framing has been generated now, right? So now once again go to the ground floor. The next is we want to add the slab for the this particular floor. So in order to add the slabs, let me go to the structure. You will find the slab. You will add the structural slab. Okay, now you select the from where to where you want. You can just select here, and you can just define the thickness is fine, ground floor is okay, then you find the okay. Now slab has been added. If you go to the you go to the where in the ground floor of the 3D model, you can able to notice this slab has been added. But basically the slab has to come above the this. Let me go to the here. I'll give the offset as 600 mm. Now we'll go, it comes to the top. See, the grade slab has been now added. So maybe for understanding, let me go here. I edit this. As of now it's block. Maybe I'll give the which color this. Let me add this. Okay, for my ease of understanding, you will find this. I'll go here. I'll consistency color. No, I'll keep the shaded. G. Edit type, codes, scale fill. I'll click, maybe I'll click this and okay. So I'll go here, find view, or maybe I'll go to the course. I don't think I'll keep in this. Okay, fine. Now this is how it looks. I have changed the color of this slab. So for ease of understanding, maybe I'll select this slab. I copy this and I'll apply the same to the all the levels which is pending. I mean till the terrace. Control A, sorry, control A doesn't work. Okay, now the slab is going to place for all the floors. Okay, and join the group, it's fine, right? Now you can able to notice all the slab has been added to that all the floors with the above the beams, right? Now if you go to the back, you can able to notice this is the one beam which is the heavier beam, then this is the same single one I mean the default beams. Then if you come to the rights, you will find the only one place you will have the slab beams. Then yeah, looks fine. Now I'll go to the, I keep it as the Y frame, right? Now this is how it looks in the what I can say in the elevation, right? Yeah, now let us go to the again ground floor. So in order to add the lift walls, let me go to the walls here. I'm just simply taking the wall somewhere here and I'm just closing this way and adding here. Okay, the lift wall has been added. Let me see, I'll go to the elevation right now, go to the 3D model. Yeah, this is how it's been added right now here. I select this SA and I select the top level to the second floor, this to the fourth floor. Let me see. Okay, it's working, and I'll clear terrace. It's fine. Now the terrace offset, will like keep it as the how much offset you want to keep the terrace offset. Let me add the 7,000 or 7 meters. So now this is how the lift bit has been added. Now I'll do one thing, the base offset I'll reduce it to the maybe 5 meter minus 5,000. This is a 5 meter. Okay, now the go here, consistency color, I'll go to this right view. I'll add the lift openings here. So in order to add the lift openings, I'll go this or maybe front panel. Okay, I go to the edit in plane. I'll go to here, I'll make the openings. Okay, so I'll keep this as the 1200 by 2700. It's the same. I don't think I copy this. Okay, I will copy this, select multiple, or maybe I don't think I select this, copy. I'm just placing it here. I'm just once again placing it here, placing it here. Okay, fine. Now simply click on the OK. Now you can able to notice the lift opening has been made. So I'll reduce this much height, I don't need. I reduce this to the base offset to the maybe top is I add 7000, I think 5000 I'll make. It's fine, right? Now almost looks fine because headroom I have just taken as extra. So yeah, looks fine. Now basically we have created the almost the structural element here. Everything is the structure, that means the foundation, and we have the columns, then it has the beams, and it then this we have the beams, then we have the slabs, then we again the same typical columns, beams, columns, and then slabs. This has been taken care, and again there's a lift pit has been added over here. So hope you understood how to create the one of the structural frame. This is basically definitely you required as an Revit architecture student, because this is an initial stage where you need to understand, and this is the majorly we say, for example, if you want to create the floor plans for somebody else, you want to incorporate this basic structural details like this, just position in the columns, footing on a foundation and slabs and all those. Definitely require this much knowledge in detail. So see, then you can suppose if there are multiple lifts, you can just copy the same and thing, and you just copy, or maybe you can just place some other places as well. Yeah, so you try to do all the section which I taught right now. I think you will understand much. Yes, we'll catch up in the next module. Yes.